Currently checking out this headboard. I'm getting ready to install it on my wall. We just unpacked it, and I want to show you that everything, the legs and the hardware inside this back that unzips here. With everything you need to, it's got all the bolts, which actually look really heavy duty. The choice, you can just mount the headboard on your wall and then just have your bed pushed up against the wall, or you can even attach this to your actual bed frame down there, if that makes sense. So looks like it's really nice quality too. I love the feel of it. I grabbed this linen color. They do come in other colors. And then this is the king size. So we have decided to not actually even attach it to the wall or our bed legs at all. So it's just basically going to be on my wall, and then our bed's going to be pushed up against it. And it shouldn't go anywhere. I mean, if I have issues in the future with it staying put for some reason, then I will attach it. But my husband had the idea to just have it on there, and I kind of like that and not have to put holes in our wall. Come close here, you can see it's this linen material, very tight weave. Love the button detail. So here is the final look. It seems really durable. I'm extremely happy with it. So if you're looking at this, do not hesitate. I hope this video has helped.